Understanding sky above. Hello, dear viewers. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, sky above. If you've ever been curious about what this phrase means, how to use it, and why it's important, then keep watching. Sky above typically refers to the expanse of air over the Earth. When someone looks up, the vast space they see, filled with clouds, the sun, moon, stars, and so on, is the sky. The term above emphasizes its position in relation to us on the Earth's surface. For example, when someone says, "Look at the sky above," they're asking you to look upwards, towards the heavens. Like many phrases in the English language, sky above can also have a figurative meaning. It might symbolize 1. Limitless opportunities. Just as the sky seems endless, this phrase can represent endless possibilities or opportunities ahead. 2. Protection or blessings. Sometimes, people might say phrases like, "with the sky above me," to mean they feel protected or blessed. 3. Challenges ahead. In certain contexts, the phrase might refer to challenges or difficulties coming up, much like storm clouds gathering in the sky. Let's take a look at how sky above is used in common sentences. 1. With the sky above and the earth below, I felt at peace. 2. The sky above was filled with stars, painting a beautiful night scene. 3. No matter where you are, the sky above is the same, reminding us of our shared humanity. When using the phrase, 1. Context is key. The meaning of sky above can change based on the context. Always make sure it aligns with the message you want to convey. 2. Pair it up. This phrase often works well when paired with its opposite, like earth below or ground beneath. 3. Use sparingly. It's a poetic and expressive phrase, so use it when you want to add emphasis or a touch of poetry to your speech or writing. And there you have it. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, sky above, better. Remember, the beauty of the English language lies in its flexibility and depth. So, the next time you gaze up, think of the sky not just as a vast expanse but also as a canvas of meanings and interpretations. Until next time, keep exploring the world of English.